On the court, we were like poetry in motion. But off the court, we were not getting along very well.
I don't think we really had any disagreements till the shit hit the fan. Am I allowed to say shit?
So guys, we'll soon be seeing Mahesh Bhupati and Leander Pace on our televisions, and we will be knowing what is the story, how is it like to be the most popular duo of the sports world, and what was their bond all about and everything. And it will soon be coming to your TV screens on the OTT platform Z5, and the launch date is 1st of October. And we are going to have this exclusive conversation with the directors Nitesh Tiwari and Ashwini Iyer Tiwari, and in conversation are also Mahesh Bhupati and Leander Pace. Welcome everyone to E Times.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So my first question would be to Nitesh and Ashwini. What was it about the story that you thought you need to bring it out to the audience?
See, as storytellers, we always look for stories that are close to our heart. And having seen these two legends, while we were, as old as them, but they became our icons. And, we followed their journey very closely. And there were a lot of questions which were left unanswered. And, when the opportunity came, it almost felt like destiny and kind of godsend. You don't not only get to know the answers firsthand, but also get to tell it to the whole world. And what more can a storyteller ask for? So obviously, immediately lapped up to it. And yes, here we are talking to you a couple of weeks away from the release.
So why now? Why do you think this is the right time to tell this story?
See, I think the best answer to this would be given by Lee and Hesh. They were approached multiple times and they were not very keen at that point of time. So I guess the best person to answer is Lee and Hesh. If this had come to me 10 years back, I would have told it then. So I only got the opportunity to tell it now. So here I am.
So Mahesh or Leander, whosoever want to go first to answer that? Why now?
So the offer has come to us to make a feature film in Bollywood many times over the last 20 years. And as much as it's come to us as individuals or as a team, I feel that telling this storyboard of 15 years of how to achieve excellence, to do it in a 90-minute feature film or a 2-hour feature film was not the way to do it. I felt that having the episodes and doing it over 40 minutes, 35 minutes, over multiple episodes would actually tell different nuances of the story. Also, if you look that we've not used actors to play Mahesh or Leander or to play our parents, to play our siblings, to play our opponents and coaches. We've done this real, we've done this live. It's right from the horse's mouth. And in that, I really got to show a lot of gratitude to Ashwini and Nitesh and to their team, Piyush and Varun and the whole team behind. Because the creativity of Ashwini and Nitesh did it so beautifully that they were able to tell different perspectives of the story. Sitting here 20 years later to see what Mahesh's dad thought, or what my mum thought, or what one of our coaches thought at that time in 1999, gives a new perspective on what people were thinking who were involved at that time. So also the journey of Breakpoint has also been a great healing, because Mahesh and myself have a brotherhood. And just like any brothers, you see the highest of highs, the lowest of lows, but you stood the test of time together. And along that way, you achieved some greatness as well in winning Grand Slams and being number one in the world. So the journey of Breakpoint has been quite incredible.
Yeah, and your duo was actually like a hit Bollywood jodi or a successful marriage, in fact. Was the pressure too much to live up to that image off field? I mean,
I don't think we felt any pressure. I mean, I think we felt a good kinds of pressure when we were on the court. Obviously, when your nerves, you got butterflies in your stomach before big matches, or you're serving for a big title. I think we always embraced it. I mean, very quickly in our career, every time we played together, people expected us to win, and more often than not, we were able to do it. I think that's why we've got the record of 24 straight Davis Cup wins as well.
Yeah, right. But to think of it, two people coming together, competing together with other icons. A duo can never be successful unless there is either thorough professionalism or a pure bond. What do you think was more prominent in your hit jodi?
We had both. We've had thorough professionalism where to win a Wimbledon, to win Grand Slams and be in 4 Grand Slam finals in the same year, you can't achieve that without professionalism. Also, at the same time, you can't be undefeated in Davis Cup over a whole decade, 24 undefeated matches without professionalism. Also, when you look at our bond, even though we are going through the human side of life, we both are vulnerable as well. Just because we're champions doesn't mean we're not humans. We also have flaws. We've also taken responsibility for actions that maybe we've done that were not so great. But through that, the bond that we have is never broken. And that is the brotherhood that I talk of. That's what keeps us even here today, where we can laugh at ourselves. We can look at some conversations that we haven't had in the last 20 years. And since we're a little more mature, we can discuss them and put closure to it.
So that brings me to my next question. Is there anything you would like to change about your journey if you both get a chance to go back in time?
No, not particularly. I think, yeah, sure. Could we play a couple more years, win a couple more Grand Slams? That would have been nice. I think the only thing today, sitting back and looking at our careers, that a couple more Grand Slams would have done for us was to give us a little more money in the bank account, right? I don't think any of our close friends or family would have loved us any more or any less if we had won 2 more Grand Slams each. So, I think we're always going to be extremely proud of what we were able to achieve, especially since we started from ground zero and got right up to the top. And that will always be the best memory that we take away from this.
So, Nitesh and Ashwini, how hard was it to tell the story and not get it camouflaged by dramatizing, just for the sake of OTT or it's like a web series?
I don't think so. We started off with thinking in our heads that because we are going to be making it as a series, we need to dramatize it. We wanted to say the story of these two champions with utmost honesty and in realism. And also it was a different kind of format where we had the storytellers whose stories we were saying, the storytellers to tell their story in their own words, and we were the anchors to tell their story, and we wanted to do it with the utmost honesty, and at the same time we wanted to infuse the emotions which is behind the sportsmen. There's a very thin line between what we see on in the court with any sportsman and what is actually happening behind him or her in terms of their emotions, because there are some things which they can never show out there when they are playing on the court against world champions. So this is something, this shown side of them is what we wanted to capture, and we wanted to do it with utmost care, keeping all their sentiments in mind, is because we were not dramatizing anything. We were talking to the real people who have been associated with them for years and years, and for them to have the guts and the honesty to come out and tell their story needs a lot of applause. So that's what it is. So for us, for both Nitesh and me, and even our co-writer Piyush, all of us as a team, we do believe that story first and everything else is later. We want to tell the story which we believe in, and I thank Z5 to support us in telling the story the way we wanted to tell it.
Leander and Mahesh, tell us something about your bittersweet relationship. Something that we don't know, behind the court, behind the scene kinds of a thing.
Well, I think you're going to have to watch the episodes. We laid it all out there. We've put it all out as we've played tennis with the hearts on our sleeve and the Tiranga on our chest. We've also done breakpoint as well with the same passion. And I'd really like to thank the Z5 team in believing in all of us, in believing the teamwork that we have, because this journey of breakpoint has really laid it all out there. And I think that the fans, the viewers, the next generation that watches Breakpoint on Z5 can see the amazing human nuances of how Ashwini and Nitesh have told how champions are made and how champions live their lives.
So I'm sure while directing, आपको भी काफी मजा आया होगा while shooting with them and the real people. Uh, how are Leander and Mahesh to be with as a duo?
See, both are extremely easygoing. We usually live in aura of the legends we have in our country, but that's the unseen side of the human side of them is when you meet them, you feel like they're just like us. They also go through same emotions as you do. So shooting with them was fairly easy. Both of them are extremely down to earth and easygoing kind of people. And at no point of time we ever felt that we were dealing with guys of that stature. So that made our job very, very easy.
Mm-hmm. So Mahesh, has Lara Dutta watched it yet?
Yeah, she has.
What does she think about it?
She's not really biased. She's independent like Nitesh sir and Ashwini, so she really likes it.
Great. So we'll also get to see a lot of personal side of their lives.
Yes. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Great. Leander, I am not sure, but if you would like to talk about Kim also, has she watched the series? What was her reaction about it?
I think we're all going to wait until the 1st of October when it releases and see how we all like every single episode, because the nuances of each episode is quite amazing. And obviously this story was told back of a journey that started in 1995 and went on till 2006. So some of the stories have been written about very extensively, but I think it'll be a great ride for everyone to watch.
Great. So Nitesh, of course, direction also involves its nuances. Of course, telling a story in its true form is, I think, the most difficult genre today, because you just can't over dramatize anything. Would you like to share some scenes or some places where you felt that you were tempted maybe to dramatize a bit, but you didn't actually?
One beautiful thing which Ashwini did was that she wanted to showcase the beauty of our country also. So we took Leander and Mahesh to Uttarakhand and we shot by the beautiful river Ganga and the beautiful mountains of Uttarakhand. And because this is coming from the heart of India, and why not showcase our country also?
Yeah.
So that thing I think was a beautiful decision which Ashwini took.
Yeah, we wanted to show the Himalayan range and what the significance of the river Ganga is in all our lives, and taking Leander and Mahesh to Uttarakhand and seeing both of them sitting by the Ganges and maybe absorbing thoughts, recollecting memories. Also, there is a very significant philosophical sense to the association with the Ganga. So that's what we try to capture also.
So Mahesh and Leander, आप लोगों ने camera first time face नहीं किया. Obviously, you've like faced it for over the years. But when it comes to somebody filming you about your life, how was the experience?
I really feel that having Ashwini watching the monitors and guiding me about, how I'm sitting, my angles, my clothes, to actually guide me through the process was amazing. And Ashwini and the team were really fantastic doing these things. Also, at the same time, Nitesh Bhai was right of camera every single time. It was almost like having a conversation with a brother, but yet the cameras were rolling. So hence my passion also to tell stories actually went way beyond also. The conversations that we were having about each nuance that we were speaking about, each story that we were speaking about. I think Ashwini and Nitesh are a fantastic team because they make you comfortable. They make you so comfortable that you're willing to share your personal and innermost thoughts and feelings. So in that, there was no acting. It was just real.
Tell me at least one favorite episode of each one of you.
I can't pick and choose
Wait.
between any of those. It's like you are asking me to pick between who's your favorite child. So,
We can't pick and choose because a episode is made of a beginning, middle, and end. And how can you choose what is your most favorite? It's a whole
Maybe
storytelling.
something that you loved, to, or maybe became too close to your heart, or it just left a very beautiful memory behind. Any
I think
episode?
it's the makings of Breakpoint. I think that just the friendships, the relationships, the journey of Breakpoint has actually brought all of us together so much. And for me, I have a big gratitude for everyone behind the scenes also who made Breakpoint happen. And years from now, hopefully we can inspire a generation for kids to come up and say, yeah, Breakpoint pe we saw your story. And because of your story and how you told it, that gave us the passion to dream, that gave us the courage to follow our dreams. And that's how we became champions too. I think then all of us would be really happy to see the results of Breakpoints 5 years from now, 10 years from now, maybe 2 Olympics from now, when we create champions off of this.
That's very important. All the best to all of you, and I'm sure it's going to do great.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.